If you got mad pump, flex it. You looking weak, dog. Hit the exit. The ball ain't bending.
Hey, Joel.
Hey.
Hey.
When your reps are ending.
Joel.
That's so swole,
Joel.
that's damn tremendous. The
Joel, hey. What?
At the end is beef.
What barks like a dog and can be heard from space? My subwoofers!
Hold the elevator. Joel! Joel! Wait!
Oh, Red! Oh my God!
No. I didn't invite you here. I didn't plan any of this. I don't want to marry you.
You hurt my heart!
Brad!
Mr. Johnson.
Hey, Brad. Meet our competition. This is Edward Wilkes, my longtime friend, president and CEO of the Wilkes Company, and his partner.
Bread, right?
It's bread, actually.
Oh, bread, like the food.
No, it's B-R-E-D-D. The second D is silent.
Oh.
How was the big day last night? I hear the congratulations are in order.
You two know each other?
Yes, actually. Joel and I are both associates at Shibler Advertising. I believe Wilkes is our potential client as well.
What a small world. I had no idea you had such exquisite taste in clientele.
All right, let's play ball. You know nothing about me.
I know you're a prick.
What did you say?
I said you're a prick. Holy crap!
Oh my God, look what you did!
What I did? What you did?
Shut up, just turn it back on!
It won't turn on.
Well, where's the backup drive?
There is no backup drive. What are you doing?
We need to re-enter all the accounts from scratch. Quick, grab that folder.
This could take all night.
Well, let's get to it.